Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make cauliflower crust pizza. Grab a fresh head of cauliflower and then cut it into half. Then remove all the leaves and then start removing small florets. Now take a bowl and wash the cauliflower and drain it. Now transfer them into a food processor and start pulsing them. Then take a pan and transfer them into a pan and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. Now transfer the cauliflower into a cloth and start squeezing the liquid. Try and remove as much as liquid possible. Once the cauliflower is well drained, transfer it into a clean bowl. Now add an egg and half teaspoon of salt, some garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, some oregano leaves, and give it a nice mix. You can add whatever herbs you like to. Now add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese and mix everything together until it's well mixed. Then take a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Now transfer the mixture into a tray. Put it in there with your hands and start pressing it down and shape it in a form of a circle. A cauliflower pizza crust is not crispy as a traditional pizza crust. Cauliflower inside will naturally make it soft, so it's really about what it is. Healthy, low carb and keto friendly pizza crust. Make sure the thickness of the mixture should be around 1/4 of an inch. Now get this into 500 degrees oven for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, once the crust is out of the oven, let's begin with spreading around our favorite sauce and top it on with cheese and fresh cut veggies. Now put back the pizza into the oven for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, once the pizza is out of the oven, slice it and enjoy it. That's it for the cauliflower pizza, guys. It's super simple, delicious and guilt-free pizza. Hope you guys like it. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.